In this video, we will cover how to create a scenario using Scenario Builder. From the Cartegraph administration page, we click Scenario Builder. When this opens, we can see all the scenarios in my database. Now I'll click Create, and I can start filling in the details of my scenario. My scenario is for pavement to get their OCI to estimated of 75. I'll name the scenario Pavement OCI 75. Next, I'll set the asset type to pavement. I'll set the adjust OCI using area. Set the scenario to start today and run it for 5 years. Next, I choose my scenario type. I have 3 types here. Budget limitation, which means maybe I only have $500,000 to spend over the course of 5 years. OCI target, which allows me to say I want my signs to get to a certain OCI. And unlimited, which means I have unlimited resources and budget so I can do as much work as possible. In this case, I'll choose OCI target and set the end target to 75. From there, I can choose the activity sequence. There are 4 types of activity sequence. Asset criticality is a measure that's placed on each asset to say it's a numeric value to state the criticality of the asset itself. Most are defaulted to 1, so I could choose asset criticality alone to say the most critical assets get worked on first. I also have the asset criticality and the highest estimated OCI, so the most critical asset with the highest estimated OCI gets worked on first, or vice versa. Asset criticality and lowest estimated OCI. Therefore, my highest critical asset and the asset that also has the lowest estimated OCI will be worked on first, or projected date. I'll select asset criticality and lowest estimated OCI, so the assets that are in bad shape get worked on first. I now have weights available. They're both set to 1, which makes them equally the same weight. I could set either one of these to a higher weight. If I set this one to 5, it means the estimated OCI is 5 times more important as the asset criticality. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave them at 1 or of equal criticality. I also have the option to choose the recommended single activity by best value, first qualifying, highest impact, or lowest cost. I'll select best value. I could set an inflation rate or fill in a description for my scenario. The descriptions are helpful if you want someone to be able to come in and see what your scenario does at first glance. For our example, I'll skip these fields and save my scenario. After the scenario is created, it opens in a detail view where we can add protocols and other details to our scenario to be able to run it.